Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making an easy creamy chicken Alfredo pasta, the perfect dump and bake dinner for busy nights. Now we'll start by preheating our oven to 425 degrees. Now in a greased casserole dish, you'll add 1 package of rotini pasta, or whatever kind of pasta you like, a jar of Alfredo sauce. To make a lighter version, I'm pretty sure there's a lighter Alfredo sauce out there somewhere, but I'm just sticking to the regular. Now I'm just going to use some of that chicken broth just to rinse out the Alfredo jar. And then we'll add the chicken broth. As well as the cut up chicken. You can use a rotisserie chicken and just cut it up or shred it. I have baked my 2 chicken breasts in the oven and just cut them into small cubes. I'm going to add my minced garlic on top of that. I will be putting the recipe below for you guys. And I'll just give everything a really good mix until the pasta is coated. I actually started this channel as a hobby, but lately I'm getting so much more. So thank you so much for subscribing. Now making sure all the noodles are under the juices, I will then either cover with a lid or I will cover with foil. Oh yeah, I forgot. Add some pepper to your taste. I am not adding any salt because I'm pretty sure there's enough salt in the Alfredo sauce. Now I'll bake it for about 45 to 50 minutes until the pasta is all cooked through. Everything looks to be cooked through. Now I'm just going to take the lid off, give it a quick stir, and add a couple cups of mozzarella cheese. I do shred my own cheese because I feel like it tastes better and it also melts better, but you can use bagged shredded cheese as well. I'm going to stick it back in the oven for about 8 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Doesn't that look amazing? I am so happy how this casserole turned out. My house smells amazing. It's going to be a great dinner. Serve it warm with a side salad or just by itself. And if you like, you can actually add vegetables in this as well. I was going to add broccoli and I totally forgot. You guys have got to make this. And I just added a little bit of parsley to the top. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.